3, 2, 1, go. Coming out, we've got Blue Alliance. Cerberus trying to line up to get that score. On the Red Alliance, we've got both robots moving. We've got 14919 circuit breakers parked in their terminal. That'll be good for some points. We've got their alliance partner, SEK, trying to park in that proper zone to score some points. We'll have to see if that counts. The refs are determining that.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
As we enter the teleoperated period, it's a close match. As Cerberus lines up with a blue cone, they're trying to find it on that high junction. On the Red Alliance, though, we've got SEK. They are lined up. They're dropping in a red cone onto that middle junction point. That'll be good for some points. Red Alliance circuit breakers are now also back in the game. They're looking to pick up a cone and start scoring. Blue Alliance, though, Cerberus lined up again, but they just lose connection. 14919, that's the circuit breakers. They've got a red cone. They're looking for that high junction point. It just barely falls off and won't stick for the points. Star Robotics, 11957, looking to grab themselves a cone to score here in the final match of the day. 21677, Cerberus, they're lined up again. Will they be able to get the cone on this time? We've had 4 quick cycles done by SEK on a middle rung. 18 seconds left in the match. SEK drains another. That'll be good for another 4 points as they look to park with 8 seconds left. As we wait for the scores for the final match of the day. Ready for the scores for the final match of the day. It's going to be the Red Alliance winning a score of 56-20.